This is what an Asian beard looks like. If you're Asian like me, especially being Chinese, you know how it is to grow out a full beard. I'm the best at what I do, and that is to test new products to see if they are worth your hard-earned money. Unless you're rich like Elon Musk. Welcome back to the channel. It's your friendly neighborhood social media engineer with another exciting unboxing. Today we're going to take an exclusive look at the ALIVER men's beard kit. You can purchase this on the ALIVER website or on Amazon. Got the plastic removed. Let's go ahead and use this perfect unboxing switchblade. And yes, I did review it. So make sure you check that out. Okay, let's see what's all as part of this package. Oh wow, look at all this. Ooh. Ooh wee. Scissors too? Amazing. Wow, it was like a Christmas unboxing. It looks like there are 6 accessories along with the ALIVER men's beard kit. Pouch. Cool new nylon bag. And you have scissors right here. Wow, this is quality made. I believe this is stainless steel and it's well constructed. See that? And it's got rubber stop right there. This reminds me of one of those barber scissors. That looks pretty sharp. All right, and this is the ALIVER beard oil, 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. And here are the instructions and also ingredients. Looks like it's pretty much organic. I don't see any fancy chemicals. And this is the beard balm. Kind of similar to like a hair balm. You lather it up and style it. Premium handcrafted beard product, 30 gram 1 ounce. And here are the instructions. Should be pretty simple. Alright, and this is ALIVER. This is called a beard brush. It's got coarse hair right there. Solid wood construction. Good handle and grip on it. Very nice. And it looks like ALIVER pouch with another beard brush. That's a nice wood construction. You got the finer lines and all the thicker lines depending on how your beard is grown. Whether it be, you know, bushy or largely spaced. And here's another comb. This is for the bigger one. Let's go ahead and test this out. Welcome back to the channel. Let me show you my beard. It took me over 2 weeks to grow it. This is the best as I can grow out a so-called Asian beard. See that? I've been waiting just for this review. Alright, so let's go ahead and test out the brush. So imagine if I had a full beard. Wow. It's like a massager. Feels good. Alright. Here's the beard comb. I would say the final one would be fitting for those who have a lot of beard hair. Here's the more sparse one. This is probably the one that I'll be using. And here is a regular size brush or comb. Alright, let's go ahead and try the beard oil. I think this is to make it look shiny and to provide a good growth and also adding a fragrant smell to it. I'm gonna put my mic down. Put that right here. Put a couple of drops and massage it in my hand. This is like a syringe, I think. Let me take a quick sniff of this first. Oh yeah, it smells like perfume. Okay, let me put a couple of drops right here. Oh, got massage in my hand. Does it look any shinier? It smells good. That's one of the benefits. Wow. Let's try this beard balm. I think this is for styling purpose. So imagine you have a full-size beard all the way down here. I know a lot of people in Pacific Northwest likes to grow like a full beard. I can't do that. That's the problem of being Chinese. That's got also a good succulent smell, but a little bit tame on it compared to that. Just put a little bit right here. Style it. Smells good. Make your beard look good. Lastly, let's go ahead and try the scissors. So I'm gonna cut it. Make sure I don't cut myself too. There we go. Yeah, this is a good, nice, sharp pair of scissors to trim your beard and to also style it. So there you have it. It's a awesome beard grooming trimming kit. This will make an awesome Christmas present. Oh, it's November already. That's right. Christmas is just right around the corner, guys. Get it. Get your loved ones or even your friends, anybody that you know who can grow a full beard and they like to show it off. This will make an awesome present, surprise gift too. And do you know that these have a 3-year shelf life, so you can store it and use it for a long 3-year period. Well, it's time for me to trim this beard. I got it just for this review. Hope you guys enjoy it, because it was 2 weeks in the making. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Until next time, take care of yourselves and your beard.